Here you go, as you can see, I'm on another clean sign. And this one is located on the NDR. As you can see on this sign, it's Helston area. It's got a signpost saying Great Yarmouth. Over here it's got Fakenham, Lenwade. Once again, totally free clean for the council. That's the kind of guy I am.
If you like these videos and find them very useful, would you drop a subscribe, hit the like button and turn the bell on? Thank you.
As you can see, that's what it was currently, and that is what it's like after it's had a clean. As you can see, we're getting there. We've done one side. Drop me a like and a follow to see more cleans like this.
Hello, I'd just like to jump on it and say all of these cleans were done free of charge. I did not get paid a penny. I've done this in my own time and used my own equipment. As you can see, some of the cleans were done early hours in the morning or late at night for my safety. If you'd like to support my channel, you can just by liking, sharing and comment below, and the thoughts of having music or me talking, or how would you like future videos to be. Also, there's a link in my link tree at the top of my page if you'd like to support my cleans by buying me a coffee, which you can, which I'd very much appreciate. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and let you watch the video in peace. I have put some music on, but please drop in the comments if you think I should leave the music off or have the sound of the cleaning on just by itself. And anyway, enjoy, and please drop a comment below of your thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you again on the next one.
The first clean of 2026. Thanks for watching. Catch us on the next one. Hello, we're here on the A140 going towards Kramer. As you can see, dirty sign. PJB's going to clean it. Right then everybody, I've had a bit of a bad couple of days. Like I said, I broke my tripod, so I can't stand it up, and also my degreaser is broke. So I'm going to do a clean today. I've had a couple of issues. One, my tripod, I need to rest it against the head, so if the footage is not square or even, don't worry about it. It's just how it will be done. And also degreaser's gone, so it's a bit icy, hence why I got my hat. So wait till the end to see what clean I do. Come on, let's go. Catch you in the next one.
Okay, so if you got to this part, it'd be interesting to see how many people get to the end. So drop a comment in the comment section saying Norfolk, so then I know you got to this bit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and a like, comment and share.